Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EngGlowUp.
Hi everyone, good to be here.
I'm Flora.
And I'm Michael.
Today, we have a very fun topic.
Yes, I love today's topic.
Today, we're talking about how to describe your home in English.
Your house, your apartment, your room, where you live.
Everyone has a home.
And everyone loves to talk about it.
So today, Flora and Michael will show you exactly what to say.
Simple words, natural conversations.
Perfect for beginners.
Let's go.
Okay, Michael, first question. Where do you live?
Right now, I live in an apartment.
An apartment. Nice.
Yes, it's small, but I like it.
Is it in a big city or a small town?
It's in a city, but not a very big city.
I live in Mumbai. That is a very big city.
Very big and very busy, I think.
Very busy and very noisy, but I love it.
I like quiet places, so maybe Mumbai is too busy for me.
Maybe, but you would love the food.
That is a good point.
Now, let's learn how to say where you live.
You can say, I live in a house,
Or, I live in an apartment.
or I live in a flat. Flat is the British English word for apartment.
Same thing, different word.
You can also say, I live in a big city.
I live in a small town.
I live in the countryside.
The countryside means outside of the city, near nature, green and quiet.
I grew up in the countryside, in Millbrook.
Really? What was that like?
Very quiet, very green. Everyone knew everyone.
That sounds nice.
It was, but I wanted something bigger.
So you moved to the city.
I moved to the city and I loved it, and also found it very loud.
That is normal.
Very normal.
Now you try. Say where you live. Use one of these sentences.
Say, I live in, and then say your place.
Simple, easy, natural.
Okay, Flora, tell me about your home.
My home is an apartment in Mumbai.
Is it big or small?
It is medium-sized. Not too big, not too small.
How many rooms does it have?
It has 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom.
That sounds perfect for one person.
I live alone, so yes, it is perfect.
I have 1 bedroom, 1 living room, a small kitchen, and 1 bathroom.
A small apartment.
Very small, but very cozy.
Cozy means small and comfortable, warm and nice.
Yes, I love that word, cozy.
Me too. Now let's learn how to describe a home.
You can say, my home is big, or my home is small.
My home is cozy.
My home is modern. Modern means new style.
My home is old. Maybe it has history.
You can also talk about the rooms.
I have 2 bedrooms.
I have 1 bathroom.
I have a big kitchen.
I have a small living room.
Living room is where you relax, watch TV, sit with family.
My living room is my favorite room
Really? Why?
because I have a big, comfortable sofa and a good TV and a window with a nice view.
That does sound nice.
What is your favorite room, Flora?
My favorite room is my bedroom
Why?
because it is quiet and I have many books there.
Of course you do.
What does that mean?
Nothing. It is very Flora.
Thank you, I think. Let's talk more about favorite rooms.
Yes, this is fun.
Every person has a favorite room, the place they feel most comfortable.
For me, it's the living room. I already said that.
And for me, it is the bedroom. Some people love the kitchen.
Yes, if you love cooking, the kitchen is your favorite place.
My friend Jake loves his kitchen. He cooks every day.
Every day?
Every single day. He says cooking is relaxing.
I cannot cook very well, so the kitchen is not my favorite room.
What do you cook, Flora?
I make tea very well.
That is not cooking.
It is an art form.
Okay, now let's learn how to talk about your favorite room.
You can say, my favorite room is the living room.
I love my bedroom. It is very comfortable.
I spend a lot of time in the kitchen.
I like to relax in the living room.
I read books in my bedroom.
I watch TV in the living room.
Simple sentences, easy to say.
And easy to understand.
Now you try. What is your favorite room?
Say, my favorite room is, and then say the room.
And say why you like it.
My favorite room is the kitchen because I love cooking.
My favorite room is the bedroom because it is quiet.
My favorite room is the living room because I love watching TV.
Easy, natural, perfect.
Okay, now let's talk about the area around your home.
Yes, your neighborhood, the places near where you live.
This is very useful because people always ask, what is near your home?
Or is there a supermarket near you?
Or are there good restaurants in your area?
These are normal, everyday questions.
And they are easy to answer.
Flora, what is near your home in Mumbai?
There is a lot near my home.
Tell me.
There is a supermarket just 5 minutes away.
Very convenient.
Yes, and there are many restaurants, Indian food mostly.
Of course.
And there is a park. I walk there in the morning sometimes.
That sounds lovely.
It is. What about you, Michael?
Near my apartment, there is a coffee shop. I go there every morning.
Every morning?
Every single morning. The people there know my order.
What is your order?
Large black coffee, no sugar.
Simple. I am a simple man, Flora.
In some ways. Now, how do you talk about your neighborhood?
You can say, near my home, there is a park.
I live near a hospital.
There are many restaurants in my area.
There is a bus stop outside my building.
Very useful. You can also say what is not near your home.
There is no park near my home.
There are no restaurants in my area.
There is no supermarket nearby. I drive to the shops.
Simple and clear.
Now you try. Say one thing that is near your home.
Near my home, there is a...
Easy. Go ahead. Say it out loud.
One more important thing. Saying if you like your home or not.
Because not everyone loves where they live.
And that is completely okay to say.
You can be honest.
Flora, do you like your home?
Yes, I love my home.
Why?
It is quiet, it is comfortable, and it's mine.
That last one is important.
Very important. Having your own space is wonderful.
Michael, do you like your home?
I like it, but I have one problem.
What is the problem?
My upstairs neighbor.
Oh,
He walks very heavily every night.
really?
Every single night. At 11 o'clock, walk, 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 walk.
That is very annoying.
Very annoying. But apart from that, yes, I like my home.
Apart from means except for. Everything else is good, just not that one thing.
Apart from the walking neighbor, my home is great.
Now let's learn how to say if you like your home.
You can say, I love my home. It is very comfortable.
I like my home. It's quiet and cozy.
My home is okay, but I want something bigger.
I don't like my home very much. It's too noisy.
I want to move soon. I need more space.
All of these are natural and honest.
You don't always have to say everything is perfect,
Real conversations include real feelings,
especially about walking neighbors.
especially about walking neighbors.
Okay, last scene, my favorite one.
What is it?
Talking about your dream home.
Oh, that is fun.
Everyone has a dream home, the perfect place they want to live one day,
This is a great conversation topic.
and very easy to talk about in English.
Flora, what is your dream home?
My dream home is a big house with a garden.
A garden. Nice.
Yes, a quiet garden with flowers and trees.
Where is this dream home?
Somewhere peaceful, maybe near the sea,
Near the sea. That sounds beautiful.
and far from Mumbai traffic.
I understand completely. What about you, Michael? What is your dream home?
My dream home is also near the sea.
Really?
Yes, a small house with a big porch.
What's a porch?
It's a covered area outside the front of a house. You can sit there.
Oh, like a veranda.
Yes, exactly like a veranda.
I want a veranda too now.
Everyone does once they hear about it.
So, how do you talk about your dream home?
You can say, my dream home is a big house.
I want to live near the sea one day.
My dream home has a big garden.
I want a house with many rooms.
One day, I want to live in the countryside.
My dream home is a cozy apartment in a beautiful city.
All beautiful dreams.
All easy to say in English.
Now you try. Tell us about your dream home.
Say, my dream home is...
And describe it. Size, location, special things about it.
We want to hear your dream.
Bonus time.
Yes, our favorite part.
Here are some extra phrases for talking about your home.
To describe your home, my home is bright and sunny.
My home is dark and cozy.
My home is very modern.
My home has beautiful views.
To talk about what you do at home, I like to cook at home.
I watch TV in the evenings.
I read books in my bedroom.
I work from home.
I spend time in the garden at weekends.
To talk about your neighborhood, my neighborhood is very quiet.
My area is very busy and lively.
I love my neighborhood. Everyone is friendly.
I want to move to a quieter area.
And to talk about your dream,
One day, I want to live by the sea.
my dream is to have a big garden.
I want to live somewhere peaceful and green,
Beautiful phrases.
simple and natural.
Now you have everything you need to talk about your home in English.
And that is today's episode of EngGlowUp.
We talked about where you live,
How to describe your home,
your favorite room,
what is near your home,
whether you like your home.
and your dream home.
That's a lot of English about one very important place.
The place where you feel most comfortable.
Your home.
Remember, you don't need big words to talk about your home.
Simple words, short sentences.
And a little love for the place you live.
That's enough.
If this video helped you, please subscribe to EngGlowUp.
And share it with a friend who's learning English.
Leave us a comment below.
Tell us about your home. One sentence is enough.
I live in, and tell us.
We want to know where you're watching from today.
We read every comment.
Every single one.
Until next time,
Keep glowing up your English.
and keep making your home a happy place.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.